Each hubcap assembly includes a retention ring and hubcap cover. Retention ring tab should face towards the hubcap cover. Position the retention ring tab to align with the valve stem notch on the hubcap cover. Ensure the retention ring is evenly aligned on each tab on the hubcap cover during assembly. Once the hubcap is properly assembled, align the valve stem notch on the hubcap with the corresponding valve stem on your car's wheel. Apply firm pressure around the edges of the hubcap to snap it into place. Work your way around the hubcap evenly to avoid uneven installation. Repeat the same process for each hubcap cover and wheel, ensuring consistent alignment and attachment. Inspect each hubcap to ensure it is securely attached and aligned with the wheel.